Ka film lingkot ka baai kerteng Nongshun en sepenmi Paidbah ha ka Tarik Naiwieng hajar arpulai ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Ya kini ka film lashna da ka kong Susan Sim bat direct do ba kam ki ding do bat u Eliza Bare. Habek range kelap pathai khobor ha ka arpu Tarik risau hajar arpulai ha Shillong Press Club ka producer jang kini ka film Nongshun ka kong Susan Sim kalai tho balashna kini ka film ka long ban yarap iki kun samla ki bidon ka sap ka phong ban ak film ban kinti ka kam ak film bat bagi kun samla kin pau sya ka perthai.
Najua apa banyarap iki youth, so I see like someone like Ellie coming up, becoming known person in Shillong. I would definitely like to help the youth. Ngadon may taman si mga banyarap iki kina kin pau syukmat nada kidong dedicated about pemengitip mentah Shillong. Bon ki bangkwali school, bon ki bangkwali colleges, ki bangkwali they don't have a career ahead. Maybe because bon ki jinte jingkom Shillong jingi kedon. Rela dadon kum kani kalat ya kini ki kena samla bakin kiu syatram ngalong ka bakloy ban yarap iki.
What I meant is you have any long hip-hop on the part on the screen engagement title.
Kung sabar. Oh, of course, definitely. Nadang iyo a chance, yes, we're looking forward for all that. We want to take this movie on next level in Hikmah.
Taban subendat lah.
Nama berkani mo ngari ke first time nga ngalai I ke fresh tom jo kani ke team and kamde ke besok ban ban act ban be in the set for long hours and all that. The fresh tom jo balong very dedicated ngai tena ke rukun fresh ki te ngaphat nada kalong successful kani ke short movie. I would definitely like to take a jam more ahead bang Peit long movies and produce them. And si bangala banyarap itu kena junior because kadang ni kata nak dan jungaru ba masih kuat banyarap itu kena samna kadang dedicated kita long hard working tila da ngayo kita ka chance yes definitely kan dia produce a movie ahead ko kan maybe long movies okay manyali kita yarap iki.
Kau sudah tiang pa director pa kan ki pa kasimpor sisna.
This point of view aku probably wani Ellie haji siya iong maybe Arnai like nai ni rupna. Ready mangangi ngong na invest na type FD na bank. Ngamla banyo ay interest within few months, right? I will go for a long time if I'm expecting mga new interest ka ahead. Tingong hi mga to ang ngin subo po system. So on the business point of view ngapay kunta pala nga invest la nga le FD ro kamo 1 year 365 days na hapo. So I don't mind investing in it for 365 days or even if it extends for some time. But yes, I would like to see a good return on that. But that is what trend in what can do in that.
Uway ni kiting shop jang kani ka film o Eliza Bare ulay thu ka jingmot jang kani ka film Nongshun ka kadawi ka jinglong jingman jang kibriyo jungi ha ka jela jungi.
Because should be mga number kung ka character sketch. Of course, the potential kadon kam chingai man yo professional actors like experience. Amtang ba iba album image character, but we need professional actors. Namar ba ide film ibatang lai prominent. Ladang ni dunah ni hantai ke kalau ko bele they bringing album ni tang ba in grab ya audience attention, but also professionalism on the set and which will attract the audience. When there's a professional actor in it, the acting method jonki actors support set compare the atmosphere jong baro compare mamba audience is the atmosphere but create on the set that when a professional actor is there baro ki ni katakan yo lang din matal yang kani katay kamtam when it comes to acting.
Karena ada strong character lah acting boleh kalau siapa mana kata character. Dek juga coba ni ke film kalau kadang kapor berim tak berunta. Dek kan ni ke film lah acting Nongshun bro nama apa pun yang mamba baru ni lagi Nongshun teng mo ni bahae tanpa dan berubah bisa ni dekat ni kelan Nongshun ni Tinggal synopsis jom ini kalau bagi PI ia film tanggal prominent mulai kadang ni keba pala keba kende keba setengah keba jumpa ba ya kan ini film kamlong glamorous boleh kadang keba PI kum jinglong jingman jong ka jela beriu kum tani lah sketch jadi characters but na snow tengah bami kum tim ataupun dengan warna ki actors tu ki warna begini ki jom ki characters pada stage te tengah tani